All right. Isaac's got pictures tomorrow, right? Okay. All right. I don't think we have any customers coming in this week that I know of. I haven't found anything out. No. Okay. But for improvement, before we get to improvement, the improvement today is that I just want to thank everyone here. Okay, I'm going to do it all 3 shifts. What you guys have done over the last year is phenomenal. I got to talk about it. I was lucky enough to talk about it at the MAP event. I was never so nervous in my life, but the only thing that kept me going is that I see it every day of what you guys do. So I was just trying to go through in my head what we do every day, what you guys are doing, and it made it a little bit easier. You can hear with my voice now. I was still shaking when I was up there in front of everybody, okay? But it's all because of you, and I need to give you guys a big hand. So you guys are phenomenal. So I thank you guys, every one of you, okay? So it was a tough experience, but it was well worth it to brag about what you guys do. So it was well worth it. So thank you. Let me read. All right, so we talked about on the job, continuous improvement of job training last week, and then let's talk about work-related training needs identification. So we discussed training and how to do specific details of jobs, but in a more general sense, how does Toyota identify training needs beyond the specific mechanics of the job? In keeping with the Toyota Way people development philosophy, the critical output analysis system offers a rigorous method that starts with understanding the purpose of the job, and then translate this into a specific competencies needed. At Toyota, when someone begins to solve a problem, often their supervisor will ask, what is the problem? We need a clear understanding of the objectives before we dive into the problem solving. In the case of training, before committing to such development, we need to understand the intent outputs of the job and then translate these into training needs. All right, so there's a section here that talks about an example of it. I'm going to read that tomorrow because I don't want to break it up, so we'll read the rest of that. But it's talking about, you got to have a clear understanding. And I told some people upstairs the whole thing that we learned about at MAP was change, change, and change. Okay, and they have more people give examples of who didn't change and who didn't survive. Okay, so you got to change to survive. So we got to change every day, every minute. We got to be doing something to change. Okay, sorry.